I would have worn the raincoat by now, and this fucking rain has stopped now. See? I know you. Why does Mother Nature play these games with me, man? Why? Why, Mother Nature? Why? Of course this had to happen. I was early for work. Go away! Hey guys, it's been raining for 5 freaking months now, and you already know how I hate monsoons. I've been waiting for the monsoon to go, and now the rains have finally reduced. Aur is khushi mein, I've got myself something special. What do you think that would be? You've already seen the thumbnail and the title, so who am I kidding? I'm at this very secret location right now, which is very peaceful out of all the chaos of Mumbai. Finally getting some peace. So, as you've seen in the thumbnail, I've got myself these nice and sweet pair of gloves. So I thought might as well just make a video of it, showing them off and then unpacking and first impressions review. So let's get these bad boys out. So I've been using these Solace gloves for a while now. It's been about a year, and these are fairly basic and they hardly provide any protection. All of this is just a fabric, and they've also got tone at places. So I've used them for quite a while now. So I've got these brand new super stylish ultra international sexy gloves. These are from Rhinox, as you see, and these retail at around 3,450 rupees. So I've got these online on the website of Rhinox, and pretty interesting packaging, I must say. I've actually removed the outer packaging, obviously, because they've got these straps with push buttons on them which clip off easily. I've got the size S, referring to the size chart on the website. And what else have we got in the package? Oh, these are the Rhinox stickers, which I probably won't be using. Let's come to these bad boys. And by the way, I've bought these on my own, and Rhinox has not sponsored this video in any way, shape or form. So just getting that out of the way. We've got these tags around here, the nice knuckle protection seams. This is important, Nox scaffold protection system, the sliders. So we'll talk about this later. This is quite interesting. So yeah, let's get these on. First let me cut this off. I've obviously got my scissors to cut these off. By full तैयारी के साथ आया है.
बन जाता है, इसमें दिमाग लगाने का जरूरत नहीं है. बेसिक ट्रिक है, एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए, महाकाल का दबाकर लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए. 5,000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए. ये 4,000 के लिए मैं यहाँ पे नहीं खड़ा हूँ. पूरा साल मेहनत करता हूँ आपके लिए बेटा. ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा.
Please excuse my rusted scissors. I've been using them in my kitchen. Alright, I won't be cutting this. I've got a hack for it. I'll tell you that later. Alright, so let's put these on and then I'll show you how it fits.
Are you ready?
1, 2, 3. Yeah, first of all, the fit is amazing. These actually fit like a glove should fit. No pun intended. These actually fit very well, especially at the fingertips. There's actually no space left except for the pinky finger and a little bit on the thumb. But apart from that, the fit is pretty amazing. They actually feel tailor-made. So after unboxing and wearing them on, I've noticed a few things, and also doing a bit of research while buying the gloves. I'll list a few pros and cons on these gloves, for these gloves. So let's come to the pros first. The biggest of all, these are CE certified. So that means these are safety approved from European safety standards. So that's there. For the price of 3,500, there's hardly any glove out there that offers CE certification. So that's amazing. Secondly, the protection is pretty sweet. They've got these nice knuckle protectors over here and a few rubber paddings on my finger joints, as well as here a few fabric padding. And we've also got a nice accordion stretchy material here, so it's nice and snug but also flexible and comfortable while moving my fingers. But the main reason I bought these gloves is these Knox sliders. So as you already know, roads of Mumbai are not really that great. So situations of an accident, circumstances of an accident are easily possible. So these little babies, what they do is, once in unfortunate situations of a crash, your palms often go first and touch the ground. So in that case, these sliders often slide off the ground and then prevent your hand from cracking or breaking your bones. These are quite hard as well, and they slide on the ground. I wish I could demonstrate that to you, but I don't want to hurt myself. So let's keep that for later when I actually crash. Also at high speeds, these act as good protection. The leather also has a very good abrasion rate. So if you nicely slide on these will provide you at least 3 or 4 seconds of slide time. So that again saves a bit of flesh on your palm, which is great. But on a Royal Enfield, क्या ही high speeds करेंगे यार.
गजब बेइज्जती है.
Anyway, so the chassis of these gloves is leather made with a few patches of fabric and mesh all around the glove, so that provides better ventilation. And on the lower end and the inner end of the palm, you get the leather chassis protection. These also come pre-curved. The fingers and everything there's this fabric inside. So, and what that means is you don't need to break into these. But I feel I might need a little getting used to, because previously I used to use these fabric ones, and now these are leather ones. So it will take a little time to get the shape of my hand. Also, we've got these touch-friendly fingertips, which is only on the index finger and not on the thumb. We'll talk about that on the cons part of this gloves. So there's that. We also have this silicone padding here on the inside, which is a little grippy, so I can nicely hold on to things, and then that feels like you have the control. And this is probably goat leather, so it's not too thick as well, so I can actually feel the controls that I'm pressing. So that's also great. So unlike my previous gloves, these have got a slightly longer gauntlet, so that's also better. And they've got a padding over here, which again helps with any crash. That again gives you more protection. And we've also got this adjustable velcro strap, so you get that nice adjustability over here. So now, coming to the cons of these gloves, there are hardly any cons on these gloves. I'd be really nitpicking if I had to say anything, but I would say that I really miss a pinky bridge on these gloves. The pinky bridge is something that joins from your pinky finger to your ring finger, so that again protects your pinky finger from cracking or breaking off in situations of a crash. So ये जो Rhinox का logo है, इसको थोड़ा सा आगे तक अगर खिसका दिए होते, और if they would have stitched these two fingers together, that would have done it. But I'm just saying, although I agree these features come in higher end gloves, but my pinky is precious. It's little and cute and precious, so might as well get that. Also, index finger is touch sensitive, so that gives you the convenience of operating your phone using your gloves. But the problem is it's only on the index finger and not on the thumb, so you can't really use that with your thumb, so that's a problem. But it's awkward to use the phone with two hands. You feel like a 50-year-old uncle. But apart from that, there's hardly any cons in these gloves. These are really easily the best gloves you can get for the price of 3,500 rupees. I really don't think you can get anything better than this, especially these Knox sliders. Knox sliders come at a very higher end gloves, so kudos to Rhinox for providing them in these gloves. I would really recommend these for the price, and trust me, I've done my research. I mean, seriously, these have also got this nice camouflage pattern over here, so you can nicely sneak up into someone's room and get the things you want without anyone noticing. Okay, probably not, but the pattern looks cool. Also, there's one more unknown feature. Rhinox had these tags around here for the packaging. This is sweet because they don't have to then poke into these gloves and then hang them over. These are ideally meant to be removed. It says to cut it, but what I thought of is that we can actually clamp these together, so that gives you the convenience of keeping them together. And there's one more hack, I'll tell you what. So to conclude, these are easily the best and safest gloves that you can get for the price. So I would easily recommend these gloves to anyone that is out in the market to buy some good gloves at a budget. Although I also agree that $3,500 is quite a bit for a pair of gloves, but you can't really trade anything for safety, so it's all worth it in the end. Also, Rhinox is quite proud of these gloves. The branding at 4 places on the glove explains that a lot. But they should be, because these gloves are really good. Also, this is the first product review that I'm doing on this channel, so I hope that you like it. If you did like it, make sure you let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you would like me to do any other product reviews like these, then please send me some money so that I can buy some expensive stuff like this. Huh? How about that? Man.
बोनस।
क्या क्या करना पड़ता है एक छोटे से वीडियो के लिए।